To delete your Klaviyo account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Log into your Klaviyo account. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account at Klaviyo Login. Access Account Settings. In the Klaviyo dashboard, click on your account name in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Select Account to go to the Account Settings. Navigate to Account Settings. Under the Account section, you will find the Settings tab. In the Settings page, look for an option related to account management. Request account deletion. Klaviyo doesn't provide a direct button to delete your account in the settings. Instead, you must submit a support request. Click on the Contact Support button and send a request to Klaviyo's support team, requesting the deletion of your account. Verify your identity. Klaviyo may ask you to verify your identity before processing the request. This is to ensure that only the authorized user can delete the account. Confirm deletion. Once your request is processed, Klaviyo will send you a confirmation email. After that, your account will be deleted.